Hello mga ka-dreamers! Our today's video is about learning English proficiency again. So if you are new here in my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and click the button bell so that you will notify every time that I post a new informative video that will help you to become eloquent, confident in terms of speaking English. This is the third video that I have already made. I hope that it will help you a lot in order for you to help yourself to become acquainted of English. Not only being aware of, but also to know it thoroughly on how to use it in a complement sentence properly. We are gonna discuss these two confusing words, which are the bound for and bound to. Because a lot of students always get confused on how to use it in a sentence. They use it interchangeably, which is absolutely wrong. Kasi may pagkakaiba po yan kung paano natin gamitin. And in this video, malalaman natin kung ano yung differences nila kung paano gamitin. It's easy to remember the right ways on how to use it in a complement sentence, mga ka-dreamers. So, bound to and bound for, di ba? So, pag sinabi natin bound to, followed by a verb, meaning ang sumusunod sa kanya ay action word. So, for instance, I am bound to succeed in the latter part of my journey. In Tagalog, ako ay itinakda na magtagumpay sa huling bahagi ng aking paglalakbay. Kasunod naman ay bound for. So, madali lang uli yun. Tatandaan lang natin yung for. Di po ba most of the time, pag ginagamit natin yung for, ang kasunod niya lagi ay noun. So, sa Tagalog, yung pangalan. So, meaning, diba yung may mga pagkakataon na thank you for your response. So, diba yung response ay, noun. So, ganun din po yung ating kailangan tandaan dito pag bound for. Halimbawa naman ay, this plane is bound for Manila. So, meaning, Manila, diba ay, noun. So, kaya noun, kaya for yung ginamit ko. This plane is bound for Manila. So, example ko kaganina, yun sa I am bound to succeed in the latter part of my journey. Pwede rin natin itong gamitin yung bound for, pero hindi na succeed. Kasi ang succeed is verb or action word. So, di ba, as what I have said, pag bound for, ang kasunod niya ay noun. So, kailangan na yun ay magiging success na kasi, di ba, pag success siya ay noun. So, I am bound for success in the latter part of my journey. So, ganun lang po yun, mga ka-dreamers. Kapag bound to, ay verb ang kasunod. Kapag bound for, noun ang kasunod. Ganun lang yun, mga ka-dreamers. I hope you are getting my point in these two confusing words. So, it's your time para gumawa naman ng sarili nyong pangungusap or pahayag gamit yung dalawang binigay ko na nakakalito na words. So, what are you waiting for? Comment down yung inyong ginawa, mga ka-dreamers, na sentence or statement about dun sa dalawang words na bound for at saka bound to. So, kasi kaya ko kayo hinahayaan, mga ka-dreamers, na i-comment kung yung mga nagagawa nyo rin na sentence gamit yung mga pinapaliwanag ko na words. Yun ay nagpapakita na hindi lamang kayo nagiging aware dun sa mga words, hindi nyo lang nalalaman kung paano gamitin, pero bagkus ay ginagamit nyo talaga yun, ini-apply nyo rin sa sarili nyo, na nagpapakita na talagang nagiging seryoso kayo sa pag-aaral pagdating sa English. So, ganun kasi yung mga ka-dreamers yung ginagawa ko every time that I encounter the unfamiliar words or those profound vocabulary. So, palagi ko siyang sinusulat, tapos hinahanap ko kung anong meaning, then I'm gonna use them into a complement sentence. So, ganun lang yung mga ka-dreamers. I hope you have had something from me. So, yun lang, mga ka-dreamers. Subscribe na kayo. Thank you!